Hi all, I am Neil Bhatt from Adventure ILTS. This is my first video in the series of reading passages, and in this session we will going to discuss about one of the reading passages, right? And after watching this video, I can give you a surety that you will definitely able to understand how to solve the reading passages more uh, properly, and it will definitely help you to make understand better, right? Our main motto is to just spread the awareness about ILTS, and for that we need your help. So before starting this video, I want to tell you that please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get further notifications, right? So let's start with session. So in ILTS reading session, a very first thing I want to tell all of you that there is no short tricks. But of course, there are some tips and strategies to solve reading passages, right? So first thing, that there are different types of questions you will find in the reading passages, like fill in the blanks, complete the statement, heading type questions, true, false not given, yes, no not given, right? And every different types of questions has their individual methods to solve them. Okay, so a very first thing while you solve this kind of questions, right? So just first of all observe that what kind of question you would have to solve. Okay, so let's go through it, the first questions. So here the first three questions are like paragraph contains the information. Okay, so it is like information based question, that from the passages which passage will give you the correct information given in these 27, 20 and 29th number question, right? Same way, then after it is like fill in the blanks question from 30 to 36, and then after the four questions are based on the statements given by the scientist, match each statement with the correct scientist. So right now in this three types of questions, it is very important to first of all mark the questions, right? Mark the keywords from the question. Okay, so let's go first of all with it. So in the 27th number, let us going to mark the keywords from the from the question, that mention of geoengineering project based on an earlier natural phenomenon. So natural phenomenon and mention of a geoengineering project based. Okay, so there is something related to the geoengineering project, and those projects were based on some natural phenomena. That is what they want to ask. Okay, now in second, an example of successful use of geoengineering. So there might be some example given in some of the any of the paragraphs, right, which shows the use of geoengineering. And common definition, so definition of geoengineering, so common definition of geoengineering, right? So these three are the statements. Then after in 30 to 36, the fill in the blanks. So you can find that two parts given, procedure and aim. So the first statement is put a large number of tiny spacecraft into orbit, right? So this is the procedure, and what is their aim? So to create dash that would reduce the amount, so reduce the amount of light reaching the earth, right? So it is a procedure that they put some tiny spacecraft into orbit, and their main aim is to create dash that would reduce amount of light reaching the earth. So our answer is something here, somewhere here. Okay, so here are the keywords, that tiny spacecraft, reduce light and earth. Okay, then place dash in the sea, so sea, to encourage dash to form. Now it is very important to keep a point in your mind, that rather than using the direct words, they might have used some synonyms, like sea has some different synonyms, encourage that to increase, right, to improve, something like that. Okay, so it is very important to use such synonyms and to have to keep knowledge of such synonyms in it. Okay, chalo next. Release aerosol sprays into the stratosphere to create dash that would reduce the amount of light reaching the earth. Now if you just observe the first and the third one, both have similar kind of statements, that those both have same kind of aims but their procedures are different. Okay, so I will not mark some keywords here because the similar keyword we have already mentioned. Then plant trees in Russian Arctic that would lose their leaves in winter, right? This is the procedure, and allow the dash to reflect radiation. Okay, change the direction to bring more cold water ice into ice forming areas. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks. Then after 37 to 40 we have given some statements, and these statements were mentioned by one of the scientists given in the list A to D. Okay, so effect of geoengineering may not be long lasting. Geoengineering is a topic worth explaining. It may be necessary to limit the effectiveness of geoengineering projects, right? And research into non-fossil based fuels cannot be replaced by geoengineering. Okay, so these are the keywords that we have marked. So now let's try to focus on the paragraphs. So here let us start with the first paragraph. So such is our dependence on fossil fuels, and such is the volume of carbon dioxide already released into the atmosphere, that many experts agree that significant global warming is now inevitable. They believe that the best we can do is keep it at a reasonable level, and at present, the only serious option for doing this is cutting back on our carbon emission. But while a few countries are making major strides in this regard, the majority are having great difficulty even stemming the rate of increase, let alone reversing it. Consequently, an increasing number of scientists are beginning to explore the alternative of geoengineering, a term which generally refers. So, here, just check, we got something alternative of geoengineering, a term which generally refers to the international large scale manipulation of the environment. According to its proponents, geoengineering is the equivalent of backup generator. That if plan A, reducing our dependency, right, reducing our dependency on fossil fuels fails, we require plan B, employing grand schemes to slow down or reverse the process of global warming. So here this paragraph indicating that a common definition of geoengineering, here rather than using the word common definition, here is the term, that a term which generally refers. Okay, so here the first, that is 29th number, has first paragraph as the answer. Okay, chalo. Then after paragraph number 2, let's try to read this. Geoengineering has been shown to work. See, this directs us towards somewhere. Shown to work. See, now the shown to work means what? This use something. It is something related to the use of geoengineering, right? But let us find out that whether this work is positive or negative. So geoengineering has been shown to work at least on a small localized scale. For decades, May Day parades in Moscow have taken place under clear blue skies, aircraft having deposited dry ice, silver iodide, and cement powder to disperse clouds. Many of the schemes now suggested look to do the opposite and reduce the amount of sunlight reaching the planet. Okay, the most eye-catching idea of all is suggested by Professor Roger Engel of the University of Arizona. His scheme. So here let me mark Roger Engel. Also let me mark reduce the amount of sunlight reaching the planet, and also let me mark the word aircraft, right? Because these three are our keywords from the further questions even. Okay, next, his scheme would employ up to 16 trillion minute space aircraft, each weighing about 1 gram, to form a transparent sunlight refracting sunshade in an orbit 1.5 kilometer 1.5 million kilometer above the earth. This could, argues Engel, reduce the amount of light reaching the earth by 2%. Guys, I am just getting something from this statement. Just check, we have a condition somewhere here that put a large number of tiny spacecraft. Now guys, large number of that is 16 trillion minute spacecraft. See guys, here it is just a large number, then far above earth. So here already they have mentioned that far above earth, 1.5 kilometer above the earth, so it is indicating far above earth, and reduce the amount of light reaching the earth. So what you need to arrange, what you need to get as an answer, that to create dash. So what they have created by using this, they have created sunshade in the orbit, right? So here my answer of this would be sunshade. Okay, so let me write down that answer here, number 30, because I don't have such space. So 30 number has answer sunshade. Okay, see, this is the use of indicating the keywords at the beginning of your starting of passage, right? Once you have already made this, it will become easy to get the answers, right? Next, so what do you think, what you understand from this statement even, right? That there is no relation right now, we don't have any relation right now with the second one, right? Sorry, third one. First mention of geoengineering project based on, so that has no relation with the paragraph, but it is compulsory become the use of, because as we discussed earlier, the first statement indicating the work of geoengineering, which is related with use of geoengineering, and it will become positive. Why? Because it will reduce the amount of light reaching the earth, right? So I can consider this second statement from from paragraph B also, right? Next one, also let us try to count that whether any of the scientist has given this answer or not. Okay, so just check. Roger Engel filled, so here there is a word, right? And we have already marked that from paragraph. Okay, so Professor Roger Engel of University of Arizona. Okay, so let us just keep this as it is right now. Okay, chalo, let's further see. The majority of geoengineering projects so far carried out, which includes planting forests in desert and depositing iron in the ocean to stimulate the growth of algae, have focused on achieving a general cooling of the earth. See, depositing iron in the ocean to stimulate the growth of alga. Guys, stimulating the growth and depositing iron in the ocean. See, ocean is a kind of synonym of sea. Okay, and stimulate the growth, that means indicating to encourage something. And we already have ticked such kind of keywords, just guys. So place dash in the sea. Sea has a synonym with ocean. So what you have to place? Place means to deposit. So deposit ions. Okay, deposit ions. So it is better to first look out iron. Okay, so not ions, only iron. To encourage dash. So what to encourage? That to stimulate the growth of alga. So that is our second answer, right? So here is the second answer. Okay, next. But some look specifically at reversing the melting at the poles, particularly the Arctic. The reasoning is that if you replenish the ice sheets and frozen waters of the high altitudes, more light will be reflected back into space. So reducing the warming of the oceans and atmosphere. So here guys, in this paragraph we have not getting any of the scientist name, right? So we can cancel out this paragraph for the 37 to 40th number question as a part of answer, right? Let's moving with the next one. The concept of releasing aerosol. Guys, aerosol is one of the keywords we had, right? The concept of releasing aerosol spray into the stratosphere, the similar keyword we have already marked above the Arctic, has been proposed by several scientists. This would involve using sulfur or oxygen sulfide aerosol so that sulfur dioxide would form clouds. Form clouds, guys, right? Now, to form clouds means to create something, right? To produce something. In turn, lead to global dimming. The idea is modeled on historic volcanic explosions such as that of Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines in 1991, which led to a short-term cooling of global temperature by zero point 0.5 degrees centigrade. Scientists have also scrutinized whether it's possible to preserve the ice sheet of Greenland with reinforced high tension cables, guys. High tension cables preventing icebergs from moving into the sea. This is also one of the keywords we have mentioned, guys. So let's try to relate this to see. Preserve the ice sheet of Greenland with reinforced high tension cables preventing icebergs from moving into the sea. So guys, first this line, two lines, and now this two lines has mentioned something and which we relate with the lines. Just check guys. Fixed strong dash to Greenland ice sheet to prevent icebergs moving into the sea. Guys, fixed strong Greenland ice sheet. So what you have? Fix. So it is the high tension cables. We have reinforced the high tension cables. So cables is our answer, and by using the cables they have prevented icebergs moving into the sea. So this is what the answer is, right everyone? Next, then after, meanwhile, in the Russian Arctic, geoengineering plans include the planting of millions of beech trees, whereas this region's native evergreen pines shed the snow and absorb radiations. Birches would shed their Lives in winter, guys, lives in winter, right? Shed lives in winter, thus enabling radiation to be reflected by the snow. Rerouting Russian rivers, guys, rerouting Russian rivers and lives in winter, thus enabling radiation to be reflected by snow. Guys, lives in winter, just a minute, let me connect. The word is, guys, birches would shed there, and where? In Russian Arctic. Geoengineering plants include the planting of millions of bridge trees. Here, these bridge trees are living their leaves in winter, and due to this they are enabling radiation to be reflected by the snow. So just guys, we have already mentioned, just check, plant trees in Russian Arctic that would lose their leaves in winter to allow the dust to reflect radiation. Guys, with the use of snow they are trying to reflect the radiation, so here the answer would be snow. Clear everyone? Right? Then after, change the direction of dash to bring more cold water into. So guys, this will relate with rerouting. This will related with, guys, rerouting. To change the direction, relate with what? Rerouting the rivers. So whom they are, to whom they are rerouting, guys? What they are changing in terms of direction? They are changing the direction of rivers to increase cold water flow to ice forming areas. Okay, that means to bring more cold water into ice forming. So here the answer is river, right? So you can easily understand this, guys, that how it is easy to solve each and every questions once you have ticked all the keywords, right? And in such kind of questions, guys, just be careful. When you have filling the blanks kind of questions, you would get all of them related one by one with each other, compulsory. And all the such kind of questions would be from a single passage, right everyone? And just a kind of strategical point, if I want to tell you, it would be from the largest paragraph. Okay, and if you just observe at the end, this paragraph would become the largest among all. Clear, guys? Okay, still we have not mentioned this answer, that is 33 number. So release aerosol spray into the stratosphere to create dash. So we have also mentioned that we have already discussed that to create what? Form clouds here, guys. I have already mentioned but forgot to write down. So what to do is that involve using sulfur and hydrogen sulfide aerosols so that sulfur dioxide would form clouds. Okay, so here to form clouds. Clear everyone? Next, so here, so number 27, just check guys, mention of a geoengineering project based on an earlier natural phenomena. So all the points which we have discussed in the passage D were held naturally only, right? So we can say that this point can be satisfied by the paragraph number D. Okay, but guys, till now we have not find any of the authors yet, right? Only one of the author we have mentioned, that is in one of the author we have mentioned, that is Roger Engel, right? That is in paragraph number B. Okay, and let's continue with it, because in paragraph C and paragraph D even we have not find any of the scientists. So looking for the next one, E. But will such schemes ever be implemented? Generally, generally speaking, those who are most cautious about geoengineering are the scientists involved in the research. Engel says that his plan is no substitute for developing renewable energy. Guys, Engels says that his plan is no substitute for developing renewable energy, the only permanent solution. Guys, this indicates something. Now, this angle is no one but only Roger Engels, right? And what he has mentioned, that no substitute for developing renewable energy, right? No substitute. That means research into non-fossil based fuels cannot be replaced by geoengineering. Okay, so we can surely say that this can be said by scientist A. Next, and Dr. Phil Rash of the US based Pacific Northwest National Laboratory is equally guarded about the role of geoengineering. See, guys, the role of geoengineering. Okay, I think all of us, all of us agree that if we were to end geoengineering on a given day, then the planet would return to its pre-engineered condition very rapidly and probably within 10 to 20 years. That's certainly something to worry about. Guys, let us try to read the statements. So, effect of geoengineering, right, may not be long lasting. Geoengineering is a topic worth exploring. That is not related with the statement. See, guys, number 37, the effect of geoengineering may not be long lasting. That is related with this point, that the role of geoengineering, I think all of us agree that if we were to end geoengineering on the given day, then the planet would return to its pre-engineered condition very rapidly. Very rapidly, that means if we stop the geoengineering work condition, then planet would become as it is as it was before geoengineering applied. So that means its effect would be not be long lasting, right? So that means this statement number 37 was said by Phil Rash. So answer will be B. Then next one. The US National Center of Atmospheric Research has already suggested that the proposal to inject sulfur into the atmosphere might affect rainfall patterns across the tropics and the Southern Ocean. Geoengineering plan to inject stratospheric aerosols or to seed clouds would act to cool the planet and act to increase the extent of sea ice, says Rash. But all the models suggested some impact on the disturbance of precipitations. Right? Then, still we have to solve two of the scientists, Dan Lunt and Martin Sommerkorn. Right? So they have not appeared yet. So, next. A further risk with geoengineering project that you can overshoot. The further risk with geoengineering project is that you can overshoot, says Dr. Dan Lunt from the university, right? University of Bristol's School of Geophysical Science, who has studied the likely impacts of sunshade and aerosol schemes on the climate. You may bring global temperatures back to pre-industrial level, but the risk is that the poles will still be warmer than they should be, and the tropics will be cooler than before industrialization. To avoid such a scenario, Lunt says Angel's project would have to operate at half strength, all of which reinforces his view that the best option is to avoid the need for geoengineering, although, right, all we have to the best view is that to avoid, guys, to avoid the need of geoengineering altogether. right? And we have something related to them. Just get check, guys. The limit the effectiveness of geoengineering projects. So limit the effectiveness, that means the use of, limit the use of geoengineering projects, and that was said by C, that is Dan Lund. So here my answer is C. So now, but obvious the point is the second, and the second statement is only related with D, and how we can say that. So that is, just check number the final paragraph. The main reason why geoengineering is supported by many in the scientist community is that most researchers have little faith in the ability to politicians to agree and then bring in the necessary carbon cuts. Even leading conservation organizations see the value of investigating the potential of geoengineering. According to Dr. Martin Samorkan, climate change advisor for the World Wildlife Fund's International Arctic Program, human induced climate change has brought humanity to a position where we should not exclude thinking thoroughly about these topics and its possibilities. So, guys, in this paragraph, the very first statement itself indicating that geoengineering topic is worth exploring because it was supported by many of the scientists, and at last Dr. Martin has also said in a favor of that. Okay, so I think D is the correct answer related to that. So hope you all understand, though it takes more time, right? It has took, sorry, more time, it has taken more time, but yes, of course, we are discussing and then we are solving the question, so it definitely require more time to use. Okay, so this is end of the session. Thank you from my side. Hope you all have studied it properly, and thank you from listening me patiently.